guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Further We Go by Walk Off the Earth, and we have the capo on the 4th fret to make it super easy. And now in this song there's mainly one main melody going on with some additional octaves and some fifths, and also with some root notes and all. We actually playing that, so it may be a bit complicated for some of you guys, even with the capo on the 4th fret. So if you put the capo on the 4th fret, there will be open chords, but still it may be a bit confusing for you guys to play that melody with the bass note and other notes together. So therefore I thought to make it super easy for you guys, combining it with the chords strumming while you're playing the melody. And believe me guys, it will be super easy. I was about to make a tab, but I thought making the tab will make it a lot more complicated. So just see over here, and I promise this will be more better than that one. Capo on the 4th fret, have a look at the chords. First chord is a C major, which is mute 32010. The next chord we have is the F major 7, which is 1. This is optional, but I like to play 1 on the E string because it's the F. Then we have A string major, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 1st fret, open. And then I have A minor, which is mute open, 2nd, 2nd, 1st open. And that's it for the chords. Now the chord progression for the whole song will be a C major, then a F major 7, then an E minor, then F major 7. Without the capo, the chords will be E major, then A major, then a C sharp minor, then A major. And those are the chords with the capo on the 4th fret: C, F major 7, A minor, F major 7. Now just have a look at the main instrumental. I'm showing you how you can see my right hand clearly as well as my left hand. So see what I'm doing. Hold the C major chord and grab a pick and do a downstroke from the A string till the B string, and your C major chord is over here, just a C major chord. And this down is a bit fast. It's like this. Then after that, as soon as you do that, you're just gonna strum the full chord, but you're just gonna put your pinky right now. So add your pinky on 3rd fret of the high E string. So we got, now do the full strum. And now again remove off your pinky and do up up. Now this up up mainly strums the high E string, G string, B string, and if by mistake if you play D, that's okay. So we got down, add pinky, up, up, and then you will again do a down, which is again a bit soft, strumming from the A string till the B string. Remove that and you do a up. So we got another up. So we got down, down, up, up, down, up, up. So down, add pinky, remove pinky, up, up, add pinky on 3rd fret of the B string, up, up. Up up means when I do up up, I'm just strumming the G string, B string, and the high E string. If you strum the D string, that's okay. That's not a big matter, but that goes for all the chords. Now I move on to the F major 7. I repeat the exact same thing. I do the exact, just hold the F major 7 chord, and for all the chords my pinky is actually free, and with my pinky I do everything. I down, add the pinky, up up. So down, add the pinky, down, remove that, up up, add the pinky on the B string 3rd fret, strum till the B string, then up up, moves on the A minor chord, do the exact same thing. So down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down. And then come back to the F major 7 chord. Do the exact same thing, but in the first time I see it goes like this. Like there's a slight change, slight variation over here on the F major 7 chord. We do a downs, then we do a up, but this up, it slides with the pinky with your pinky slide from all the way 3 to 5 on the high E string. Then you do a up, 2 up. So we got, so down, then a down, you add the pinky and you slide, remove the pinky, you do a up up, then you come back to normal position. Now instead of doing up, you're just going down, down, and strum till the B string. A lot confusing. Let me show you from the beginning. I strummed down a bit fast. I ladder down, strumming the full chord. Slide to the 5th fret on the high E string with the pinky, add it. Then up. I do pinky on the 3rd fret of the B string. Now for all the chords we did up, up right now, but this time we're just gonna do down, down till the B string to get this note. So it shows that we are actually end of the chord progression resolution. So we got. So that's basically, let me play it very slowly from the beginning. Sorry. But for the next time, it actually remains the same F, like you did. It just goes once for the intro, and after that it's actually normal. So you can actually hear that, and you can actually get that. So let me play that a couple of times. Now you can obviously make it a more advanced by adding some mute, some extra downstroke and ups in between. The main thing is, if you hear the intro of the song 20 times, you'll be seeing that you are able to play the same thing which I was just showing right now 3 times better. Believe me, guys. Bit advanced. That's it, and that's almost everything. Just have a look at the video. Main thing, keep in mind that these are the most important notes. 3rd fret on the high string, 3rd fret on the B string open, high E string, 1st fret on the B string. That's it. So let's have a look at the strumming pattern. Same chord progression: C major, F major 7, A minor, F major 7, down, down, up, up, down. This is the strumming pattern. Very easy. Down, down, up, up, down. One more time. Let's play. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. And that's basically almost everything for the song. So this helped you out. Make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2K subs as fast as possible. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Bye.